Hey there, welcome back to Kyokoverse, where we dive into data, tech, and productivity. Today I'm giving you a special tour of my rural desk setup, a minimalist workspace where I get things done as a data analyst and a tech enthusiast. This setup proves that no matter where you are, with focus, creativity, and the right tools, you can achieve anything. Let's start with the desk itself. This is not a typical store-bought piece. It's a personal project I crafted myself. I sourced the timber from my father's store, and after building it, I gave it a fresh coat of paint, from white to silver. That gave it a cleaner and a more modern look. It's not just a desk. It's a piece of art that blends function with personal touch, setting the foundation for everything I do here. The heart of my setup is this beauty right here, the HP E243M monitor. It's a 24-inch display that delivers 1080p resolution. As a data analyst, my work revolves around managing large datasets, creating stunning visualizations, and monitoring analytics in real time. This monitor is my reliable partner. It's a game changer for productivity. With its vibrant colors and ample screen space, it ensures I can dive into the details without missing the big picture. From cleaning messy datasets to crafting insightful charts, this monitor keeps everything sharp and distraction-free. Because when it comes to data and tech, every pixel counts. Meet the powers of my setup. The HP Envy13, powered by a Core i7 processor and 8GB of RAM. It's the brain behind my workflow. This laptop had an issue with its screen, but instead of letting that slow me down, I turned it into an opportunity. By connecting it to my HP monitor with this USB Type-C cable, I use it as a dedicated CPU for my desk setup. I even removed the damaged screen and now rely on its keyboard and a trackpad for a seamless workflow. It sits comfortably on this foldable laptop stand, which not only improves airflow to keep things cool but also enhances my desk ergonomics, turning challenges into opportunities. That's how you stay productive. And with this setup, I'm ready to tackle any task. For smaller tasks, I rely on my backup laptop. It's an HP Core i5 with 8GB of RAM. It's perfect for quick emails, smaller data jobs, and even those essential file transfers. While my main setup handles the heavy lifting, this device ensures I stay productive when multitasking. Lightweight yet reliable, it's an addition to my workspace, always ready when I need it. Having a backup like this ensures no task is small to tackle. This laptop is simple, effective and dependable because every setup needs a reliable sidekick. When I need a quick mental break, this Rubik's Cube is my go-to. It's a fun challenge and a great way to reset and refocus. Just a few twists and my brain feels recharged, ready to dive back into work. This yellow tin keeps my essentials close at hand. Pens for quick notes, flashcards for ideas and my earbuds for focus. It's simple, compact and helps me stay organized throughout the day. Working from a rural home has its challenges, especially when it comes to internet connectivity, but I've got that covered. Thanks to this receiver powered by my internet service provider, Netica Technologies, who are in partnership with Starlink. It brings in a strong, reliable connection and ensures I stay connected no matter where I am. From streaming data to uploading content, this setup keeps my workflow smooth and uninterrupted. In a world where connectivity is everything, this is my internet's lifeline. It's making remote work possible, even in a rural setting. Thanks to Netica Technologies. They are fast, reliable, and built for the future. The receiver connects to this PoE adapter. From the PoE, the internet flows into this standard router, which acts as my network source. The router ensures seamless connectivity across all my devices, keeping my workflow steady and efficient. From the wall socket to my workspace, every part of this network is optimized for reliability and performance. One challenge of working in a rural setup is dust. It accumulates quickly and can build up on your electronics. To keep my workspace functional, I clean the desk and monitor daily using a microfiber cloth. While simple, these habits ensure my devices stay in top shape. Balancing challenges with practical solutions is key to maintaining productivity in any environment. It's the little habits that make the biggest difference. This setup is where the magic happens. Data analysis, video editing for this channel and coding projects all come to life right here. From digging into datasets to crafting visuals and debugging code, it's all about having the right tools in place. A clean and efficient workspace doesn't just look good. It makes a huge difference in staying productive and focused. This is more than a desk setup. It's my productivity hub, where ideas turn into action. Because productivity starts with the right environment. This setup works well for now. But like any workspace, there is always room for improvement. First on the list is better cable management. A cleaner look means fewer distractions and easier maintenance. I'll also add an ergonomic chair for added comfort during long work sections. And finally, improved lighting to brighten the workspace and add a touch of style. Step by step, I'm building a workspace that's not just functional but inspiring. because progress is all about evolving with your needs. This desk setup is a work in progress, but it reflects my passion for tech and my commitment to productivity. No matter where you are, rural or urban, you can create a workspace that works for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more data, tech and productivity content. See you in the next one.